there! In this video, I want to show you how to use Bixby on your Samsung Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. Let's get started. And firstly, let's check whether Bixby is enabled in the settings. So I'm just gonna open settings on the phone, use the search bar to type in Bixby. And here we can see its settings. So let's just open Bixby settings. And here we can enable voice wake up. Here just turn on by tapping on the switcher. After that we can set the language and voice style, Bixby feedback, use while locked, and here also enable some of the features. Now, after everything is done, we just need to go in the Galaxy wearable application. Make sure that your earbuds are connected to this app and to your phone, and you'll see the name of your device and the battery status. Now after that, go in the earbud settings, here choose voice controls and enable Bixby voice wake up. Here you can also see the voice command tab. Now I'm just gonna put in my earbud and let's test it. Hi Bixby, turn on the music. And the music just turned on. You can ask Bixby anything and it will do it for you. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.